Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun right here. So on today's video, I want to show you how you can get free $1,000 for installing an app. Yes. So now, though it is just $10 right now, free money will become $500 to $1,000 for you later. Okay, so I want you to pay full attention. Let me quickly explain how it works right here. I want you to know that something crazy in 2017, 2018. But before I do that, if you are new on this channel, I want you to go to the subscription button, go down, you see subscription button, click on it, then click on the notification bell as well, so that whenever we dish out valuable content like this, YouTube will be notifying you, right? So now, by returning, thank you for helping us to grow this community. But maybe you are still watching our videos but you never subscribe, kindly go to the subscription button, and by God's grace we'll be dishing out information at least maybe 2 or 3 times every week. Right now I was so busy offline before, that's why I've not been able to make some videos for some times, right? For some times. I'm so sorry about that I'm disappointing you. So I'm fully back to the business right now to dish out more videos for you. Okay, so when Binance first came in 2017, 2018 thereabout, they gave out their token, which is BNB, and you can see the BNB right here on my screen right here. So dish out this token for free, but you know, so many of us were just like a free token that is not even worth $5. What I want to use it for? So we didn't pay attention to it at all, and we miss out. I mean, we miss out for real. For real, we miss out. So guess what, guys? Barely a few months later, Binance token started rising to let's check from 2018. You can see it was from 0.21. You can see from 0.1 then I give you 10 token. That is not even, is it even okay? That's it, like $1, right? Like $1. So giving it to you back then, 2017, not just like what is this? Okay, what I want to use it for. So that's exactly what is going on right now, and I want us to pay full attention. So before we know, Binance started growing up, get to $22 in 2018. It now spiked to $22. I saw $22 somewhere. Now $20, then it started rising. So if some have said so their own right from here, because one thing about crypto is about patience. You must be patient. Okay, so when you get to 2019, it gets to $31.69 dollars per token. Those who get 10 token there, they will have, you know, sold it and say I've made $300, which is of course it's a good profit. But then when it now get to 2021, you can see that it even rose to $651 right here. And for those who get that 10 coin back then, 2017, if they can wait for like 5 years, leaving it, but keep it very well, you know that these guys must have been in crazy money. That is over $6,000, right, for free. Okay, so that is exact thing that I want to show you guys right here today. So now there is another opportunity for you to get something like Binance right now. Name of the platform is SuperEx. Okay, so this is a new cryptocurrency exchange just like Binance, and they are giving out 10 of their native tokens to people who register and download their app. It's free. Okay, remember this token could become hundreds or thousands of dollars for you guys later, so you don't need to pay. It's 100% free. Okay, and I walk you through how you're going to do that right here. Okay, but before you do that, I want to give you an advice about this, because it happened to some people when they got, I know some people that it happened to when even the BTC was not very cheap, and they bought it. Up to now they did not know where they put the login details, everything, and they lost millions of dollars like that, just like that. So guys, don't joke with this. Okay, please don't joke with this. So now what you're going to do right now is just to go to my description below, the first link there. Okay, so you're going to copy that link, just go to the description below. You're going to see a link like this. Okay, bit.ly free future money. Okay, so then browse it on your normal browser. You can click on it, you can copy it, right? So then So you can see it's open just like this. So just fill in your email address, your password. Please, I want to beg you once again, make sure that you keep your credentials, because by the time this coin is going to become money, it's just like you win a lotto. Okay, so it will ask you to send the verification code to your email. Just go and copy it. So once you copy it, then enter it to the platform just like this. So after you have done that, you click on submit. Then it will ask you to you have an Android. I don't know if they actually have iOS. That is those of you that are actually using iPhone. I don't know. I'm not sure of that. Do this. Okay. So now it's still installing. There we go. Then what you're gonna do is just click on open. When you click on open, then it's opening the application. Then you're gonna need to log in. You don't need to go to login. So ask you to enter in information. Boom. So we just enter, then come to the wallet right here. So click on the wallet. So it's gonna show us just $15 right here. So as you can see that it gave us the token for free worth of $10 right now. And so make sure that you keep it, keep your app, keep your login details, all right, because this application is going to be like this thing is going to be like Binance. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys right here today. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Please, if you are new on this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell, so that whenever we dish out valuable content like this, YouTube will notify you. Thank you. Bye bye.